Hello. In this tutorial, we're going to show you the basic Nutrition Maker software interface and layout. Nutrition Maker software is designed for personal trainers and lets you provide meal plans and nutrition consults. By knowing the basic interface, it's going to be a lot easier for you to navigate through the different areas of the program. In the long run, this is going to save you a lot of time and make your job a lot easier. The first thing we're going to look at is going to be the user interface. That is the area where the actual personal trainer accesses the program. This is where you'll set up defaults, preferences, and also create meal plans and do other things. And the second area is going to be where you access the client information. This will be where you provide meal plans to them, request them to do food logs, check their test results, and many other aspects. And then finally, the third thing, which will come at the very end, is going to be a new feature that Nutrition Maker now offers. This is an automated feature called Master Templates, and with just a few clicks of the mouse, it enables you to provide an entire nutritional program anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks. It's a great time saver, it makes your life much easier, and improves your efficiency. So be sure to hang around for that and check it out. Hello, and thanks for being here. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Doug, and I do the training videos here at Nutrition Maker. Nutrition Maker is designed for personal trainers, wellness coaches, nutritionists, dietitians, and related fields. Nutrition Maker software will allow you to add nutrition consults to your services, provide meal plans, and much more. So let's get right into it. Here's the main client screen. Let's start with the top left and go from there. The first item is the clipboard. When we add new features or new content like meal plans, recipes, and that type thing, we'll post notices here. Next, moving to the far right is the help section. Anytime you want to learn something new, come here. Or if you just need a refresher, this is the place to be. In the center of the screen is the main client dashboard. Here you can access your client list and see the type of client they are. This may be their primary goals or other information. For instance, it might be how that client fits into your specific client niches. It's a great reminder. It's probably not as important when you only have a few clients, but when you get up to 25 or more clients, this information comes in very handy. You can also see the last time your client logged in. This is an easy way to see if your client's on track, that they're checking in, that they're viewing their meal plans, answering questionnaires, reading the informational handouts you're giving them, and so on. When you see someone that's not logging in consistently, it's crucial that you contact them. That way you can keep them on track, let them continue to improve, and substantially decrease your dropout rate. So let's get back into the program. To the far right, you can access the client's tests and nutrition, calendar and master template, and you can open up an overview page. We'll look at that in a few minutes, but first let's finish with this main screen. To the immediate left of the client list is where you can filter clients by the staff member. You can also keep clients active. You can place clients in an inactive list. This is helpful when you have a client that may have dropped out, but they're returning to your services later. You can locate them in the inactive status and simply reactivate them. And of course, down here, if you need to add more clients to your account, you can always expand your account. As your business grows, it's easy to expand to bigger plans. Let's continue with the menu for the user, meaning the health professional. That menu is on the left. First is the message area. If a client sends you a message, it will be here. When messages come in, they'll be flagged red to make sure you don't miss it. Next is the calendar. Here you can keep track of your client meetings and set aside time for consults and more. Next is the settings area. It starts out with the administration area. The general area is where you can put in your credentials. User information allows you to change your email and your password. You can also upload your logo and facility information. You can keep notes in here for all your messages and outgoing emails. You can set up your client experience color schemes to match your logo. We also have a client disclaimer. Here you can add your client types, set up appointment types, put your hours on your calendar, access your account information. Payments allows you to set up your payment details. User management is where you can add additional users if your account is set up for multiple clinicians. And we have some marketing information here as well. Next on the list is the master templates. We'll look at that in just a moment. Following that is the goals section. Here you can find all the goals that come with the program, and you can add to the list if needed. Following that is the handouts. This is the area where all the handouts are located, both informational handouts as well as the various questionnaires. And of course, if you have something that's not included with the program, you can always create your own handout and upload it as well. Last on the list is nutrition. The general area allows you to set your default food databases as well as other defaults for reports and meal plan expirations. When meal plans expire, the client no longer has access to that meal plan. This makes it a great time to communicate with your client and update goals, as well as assess their progress and make new goals. Additionally, it's a great opportunity to get them signed up for extended services, as well as any new services that you might want to add to their plan. This helps keep them on track and keep them using your services. Next on the list is meal plans. Here you can view all the various meal plans that we offer. You can also create your own meal plans. Recipes is very similar. You can access all the recipes that we offer in the program, and you can also add and create new recipes. The food section is where you can add foods to your database. This is great when a new product comes out, or you have a new power bar or a supplement that you might sell. So now we're going to move into the client area and all the administrative areas that deal with that particular client that you're logged in to view. And after that, we're going to look at the master template section. Remember, master templates will save you time and decrease your workload considerably. Also, remember, if you're getting value out of this video, please press the like button for us. Thanks. To move back into the client section, go up to the client tab, and this will take us back to the main screen. Choose open, and this will open up the overview tab. The overview tab lets you see your client's status in one area. Messages at the top, current goals, upcoming activities, questionnaires, tests, followed by all your nutritional information, any notes that you're keeping on the client, client type, and client management activities down below. Okay, let's go back up to the top. Now, the left menu is all dealing with this particular client. The first section is demographics. This is where you can upload photos, as well as edit or update any demographic information such as emails, phone numbers, addresses, and so on. The questionnaire and handout section is where you actually issue handouts and questionnaires. Documents is where you can upload any documents. There are times when a client may come in with a medical history or other items that they have documented, and here you can scan them and upload them. The goals section is where you can assign goals to your clients. Payments, obviously, is where you can keep track of the payments. Message section. We'll skip the calendar and master template for now. We're going to come back to that right here at the end in just a few moments, so don't go away. The test area. This is where you can perform tests, as well as issue tests for online patients. And you can see test results. And then finally, we have nutrition. This first tab is for determining calorie requirements. You can also check the food log in a detailed manner or a brief photo log. Next, let's move back to the main client search interface. Go into Settings and choose Master Templates. So, how would you like to automatically set up a client with meal plans, informational handouts, questionnaires, automated messages, reminders, and even more? This is what it looks like once you set up a master template. And we're going to show you how this goes into action in just a few minutes under the client activity area. But essentially, you can assign food logging, handouts, meal plans, messages, picture requests, questionnaires, and tests. Right, so let's go back to the client interface. Let's choose our sample client. Come over to the left to the master templates. Choose a master template. In this case, we're going to look at one of the weight management. We have a basic weight loss. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that right over here. So what's happened here, as you can see, is there's been a meal plan assigned, a photo request, an informational handout, a questionnaire, a body weight test, The next week is a different meal plan, followed by the third week, which is another meal plan, another photo request, and on the fourth week, the final meal plan with a final body weight test. So there you see, we've created a complete 4-week nutrition consult program in the matter of just 4 or 5 seconds. Typically, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to create a master template, but once you've done that and created master templates for your client niches, nutrition consults go into a total autopilot mode, and you eliminate so much of the daily grind of the simple tasks like requesting photo updates and food logging. The master templates really do make nutrition consults fast and easy. We hope you found value in this training session. And if you want to see future tutorials, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss anything. Also, I do want to remind you that we offer a free 2-week trial of Nutrition Maker. There'll be a link down below. Totally obligation free, no credit card required. If you like it, sign up for the service. We have both monthly and annual plans, and there's no long-term contracts. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you here again.